Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast way to convert any PDF file into an Excel file. If you want to edit the data in PDF or just avoid typing everything again, this method is super useful. So let's get started. Open the PDF file you want to convert in the Systweak PDF Editor. Go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert the PDF to Excel, click on Convert to. Select PDF to Excel from the available options. Confirm the output format and select the destination folder. Now click the Convert to Excel button. This will convert your PDF file to an Excel file and save it in the output folder. Let's check the file. Here's the original PDF and here's the Excel file we just created from it. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to Excel file all at once. To do this, go to Batch Process, select Batch Convert, drop the PDF files here, select Excel in output format, and select the destination folder. Click on the Convert to Excel button and the tool will convert all the PDF files into Excel and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs and these are the Excel files we created from them. That's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into Excel file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can check out other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install the Systweak PDF Editor from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, just drop a comment, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.